Dear friends, there's a truth many people don't notice. Every morning, we hold a familiar cup of coffee in our hands. It wakes up our body, sharpens our mind, and has become a habit that's hard to break. But what I want to share today may surprise you. The very same cup of coffee, if consumed the wrong way, can contribute to weakening muscles and worsening joint pain. Yet, if consumed the right way, it can actually become a remedy that helps the body restore strength, even boosting muscle mass by up to 40% and significantly reducing joint pain that often troubles us after the age of 60. Medical studies show that after 60, we lose about 8% of muscle mass every decade. Many people feel it clearly, getting short of breath when climbing stairs, trembling hands when carrying a heavy bag, or even a minor slip that can result in a fracture or being bedridden. This isn't just getting old. It's the result of a condition called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. And sarcopenia is the hidden cause behind why older adults are more prone to falls, joint pain, and losing independence in daily life. Now, I want you to imagine this. Every morning, instead of just drinking plain black coffee for alertness, what if you added a small ingredient, something inexpensive and easy to find? That cup of coffee could become a source of healing fuel, providing energy while nourishing your muscles and joints. And the best part is, science has already proven it works. In today's video, I'll take you through 8 natural ingredients you can add to your morning coffee. We'll count down from number 8 all the way to number 1, where I'll reveal a spice that has helped many of my patients not only reduce inflammation, but also regain flexibility in their legs and improve mobility to a level that even surprised them. Before we begin, I'd love to know, where are you watching this video from right now? Leave me a comment below. Your sharing helps me better understand the community I'm serving, and it's also the motivation for us to keep bringing simple, science-backed solutions for everyone over 60. I am a doctor with many years of experience working directly with older patients, people who face daily challenges with muscle loss, joint pain, and declining health. What troubles me most is that many of them believe weakness is simply an unavoidable part of aging, that nothing can be done. But the truth is very different. I've seen countless patients experience remarkable improvements in their health, with just small changes in diet or daily habits. Some even told me they felt decades younger. One patient walked into my clinic with a limp, heavy legs, and constant complaints of stiff, aching joints every morning. Yet after just 6 to 8 weeks of following the method I recommended, he returned smiling, telling me he could now walk around the park with his grandchild, without fear of falling. Moments like that are why I continue this work, and why I want to share this knowledge here on Senior Vitality Now. I know that when you hear about just adding a few things to your coffee, many of you might think, the doctor is exaggerating again. But I assure you, everything I share is backed by science, supported by research, and validated through real-life results from patients I've personally followed. And most importantly, these aren't complicated or expensive changes. They're so simple that you can start tomorrow morning, with the same cup of coffee you already drink every day. If you'd like to keep receiving practical, easy-to-apply insights like these, please give this video a like so I know this topic is helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Vitality Now so you won't miss new videos every week. You can also leave a comment below to share the health challenges you're facing. I'll be reading and responding personally. After the age of 60, the body begins to lose muscle silently. On average, we lose 5 to 8% of muscle mass every decade, which weakens the legs, makes climbing stairs more difficult, and increases the risk of falls and fractures. It's not just the muscles. Our joints suffer too. Cartilage wears down, bones become brittle, and every morning when stepping out of bed, stiffness and aches set in. This is sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, the silent enemy of health after 60. Many people believe this is unavoidable. But in reality, science shows that with just small adjustments in diet and daily habits, we can slow down, or even reverse, this decline. And one of the most surprising keys lies in your morning cup of coffee. Coffee is familiar. It keeps us alert. But depending on how it's consumed, it can dehydrate the body and stiffen the joints. Or, if combined with the right natural ingredients, it can turn into a powerful remedy, nourishing muscles, reducing inflammation, easing joint pain, and even boosting muscle mass by up to 40%. In the next section, I'll share 8 simple ingredients you can stir into your morning coffee. They're everyday items you can easily find in your kitchen, yet their effects can rival, even surpass, expensive medications. 8. Cinnamon. You may be used to thinking of cinnamon as something for desserts, tea, or cooking in the kitchen. But few people realize that just a small pinch of cinnamon in your morning coffee can become a shield that protects your muscles after the age of 60. So what makes cinnamon so special? In older adults, blood sugar fluctuations, spiking high and then dropping low, are a hidden reason why muscles weaken faster. When glucose swings out of balance, muscles don't get a steady supply of energy, leading to fatigue and gradual loss of muscle mass. Research has shown that cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, reduces insulin resistance, and at the same time calms inflammation, the number one factor driving muscle and joint degeneration. I still remember a 68-year-old patient who often complained about feeling drowsy in the afternoons and heavy-legged when climbing stairs. His wife suggested sprinkling a little cinnamon into his morning coffee. At first, he laughed it off, but a few weeks later, when he came back for a checkup, he told me with surprise, "Doctor, I no longer doze off after lunch, and my blood sugar readings are much more stable." The method is simple, just half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, the true variety, low in toxic coumarin, stirred into a hot cup of coffee. No sugar, no heavy cream. That's it. Your morning coffee has now turned into a remedy that fuels your muscles to stay stronger and more resilient. 7. Cocoa powder. If cinnamon helps keep blood sugar stable, cocoa takes another approach, improving circulation and nourishing the muscles. Pure cocoa is rich in flavonols, plant compounds proven to dilate blood vessels, boost blood flow, and reduce inflammation. With better circulation, muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, helping them recover faster and easing the heavy feeling in the arms and legs. I remember a 72-year-old female patient who loved coffee, but often complained that her legs felt as heavy as sandbags, getting tired after just a few steps. Her grandson, a fitness trainer, suggested adding a teaspoon of pure cocoa powder to her morning coffee. At first, she thought it was odd, mixing coffee with cocoa, but only a few weeks later, she came back smiling. "Doctor, my legs feel so much lighter. My morning walks no longer leave me exhausted." The key is to choose pure, unsweetened cocoa powder, not pre-mixed or sugary varieties. Just one small teaspoon stirred into hot coffee adds a rich flavor while delivering flavonols that support muscles, the heart, and even healthy blood pressure. For older adults, this is a simple way to transform a familiar cup of coffee into a blood vessel rejuvenating drink. 6. Coconut oil or MCT oil. Many older adults complain that after drinking their morning coffee, they feel alert for a short while, but just a few hours later, they crash into fatigue, shaky hands, or drowsiness. The reason is that after age 60, the body no longer uses sugar as efficiently as before, so the quick energy from coffee runs out fast. This is where healthy fats like coconut oil or MCTs come in. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, a type of fat that is absorbed quickly and converted into energy almost instantly. Instead of being stored as body fat, MCTs turn directly into clean fuel for both muscles and the brain. As a result, muscles perform with more stamina, the mind stays sharper, and the brain fog that often comes with aging is reduced. I remember a 69-year-old male patient who often experienced tremors late in the morning and had to grab a sweet snack just to stay awake. After adding a small spoon of MCT oil to his coffee, he reported that he could work and go for walks all the way until lunchtime without needing snacks. After 2 months, he had lost nearly 3 kilograms, about 6 pounds, of belly fat, while his legs felt lighter and stronger. The method is simple. Start with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or MCT oil stirred into hot coffee. For those who enjoy a creamier taste, you can blend it into a bulletproof coffee. The key is consistency, using it every day, so the body gradually learns to rely on healthy fats for steady, long-lasting energy. 5. Milk or soy milk. While MCT oil provides instant energy, milk or soy milk adds what the body after 60 is most lacking: high-quality protein. As we age, we experience something called anabolic resistance, which means that the same amount of protein we used to eat no longer stimulates muscle growth as effectively. That's why people over 60 need more protein to trigger muscle synthesis. Just half a cup of milk, or soy milk, provides 4 to 6 grams of protein, including leucine, an amino acid that acts like a switch to turn on muscle building. With soy milk, you also get isoflavones, plant compounds that strengthen bones and support heart health. I once had a 72-year-old female patient who had been drinking only black coffee for years to stay slim. But over time, her body grew frail, and even carrying a grocery basket made her hands shake. After her daughter, a nurse, suggested adding soy milk to her coffee, within just a few months, she felt her arms become stronger, climbing stairs was no longer exhausting, and even her bone density test showed slight improvement, something rare at her age. So instead of adding sugar or heavy cream, which only give you empty calories, try adding a splash of milk or soy milk. Not only will your coffee taste smoother, but it will also become a muscle-building, bone-protecting drink each morning. 4. Collagen peptides. Many people think collagen is only for beauty and skincare, but in reality, collagen is the glue that holds the whole body together: muscles, tendons, ligaments, bones, and joints. After age 60, the body produces up to 1% less collagen every year. That's why you may wake up with stiff joints, feel heavy when walking, or experience lingering muscle aches after something as simple as gardening. What makes collagen peptides special is how easily they can be combined with morning coffee. Just one small scoop dissolves instantly, odorless and tasteless, while delivering about 10 grams of protein. For those over 60, this is a valuable raw material that helps the body start repairing and rebuilding muscle, tendon, and joint tissue from the very beginning of the day. I remember a 70-year-old patient who loved gardening, but always felt sharp knee pain whenever he bent down to pull weeds. After adding collagen to his morning coffee as suggested, just 2 months later he returned and said, "Doctor, I feel like my joints have been oiled. My knees no longer creak or ache." That joy showed the true power of such a small change. When collagen enters the body alongside coffee's circulation-boosting effects, it's like having both the building material and the delivery trucks to bring it exactly where repairs are needed. That's why collagen peptides deserve a spot on the golden list of muscle and joint-supporting coffee add-ins after 60. 3. Whey Protein Isolate. One of the biggest mistakes many people over 60 make is thinking, eating the way I always have is enough. But the body changes after 60. Its ability to use protein for muscle building decreases significantly, a phenomenon called anabolic resistance. This means that the same amount of meat, fish, or eggs that once supported muscle growth no longer triggers a strong response. As a result, muscle gradually shrinks, strength is lost, even though you're still eating normally. Whey Protein Isolate is a science-backed solution to this problem. Whey is a pure, high-quality protein rich in leucine, an amino acid known as the switch that activates muscle synthesis. Multiple studies, including one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have shown that older adults who supplement with whey after exercise can gain up to 38% more lean muscle compared to those who don't. That number isn't just data. It's the difference between climbing stairs confidently and holding onto the railing with shaky legs. I recall a 67-year-old female patient who was diligent about walking every day, yet still noticed her arms and legs getting weaker. After adding a scoop of unflavored whey isolate to her morning coffee, just 6 weeks later she told me, "I don't get out of breath carrying my grocery bag anymore." That's the power of whey when it's used at the right time, in the right way. Just one small scoop of whey isolate, dissolved into your morning coffee, can be a turning point in helping your body fight age-related muscle loss. 2. Ground Chia Seeds. You may be used to seeing chia seeds floating in a glass of water, but few people realize that when finely ground and stirred in a hot coffee, they become a superfood that supports muscle and heart health after 60. What makes chia seeds special is their unique combination of plant-based omega-3s, fiber, and protein. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and protect the joints and brain. Fiber improves digestion and helps prevent constipation, a common issue for older adults. And while chia protein isn't high in volume, it still adds valuable building blocks for muscle, especially when combined with other sources like milk or whey. I recall a 70-year-old male patient with a large belly who often complained about constipation and feeling drained every morning. His daughter, a nutritionist, suggested grinding chia seeds and adding a small spoonful to his coffee. He laughed. "What good are bird seeds for me? But just a few weeks later, he returned saying, "Doctor, my stomach feels lighter, my legs ache less, and walking has become easier." The method is simple. Stir 1 to 2 teaspoons of finely ground chia seeds into your hot coffee. Be sure to drink enough water throughout the day to avoid constipation. A small change, yet one that can ripple out to benefit your muscles, heart, and memory. 1. Turmeric plus black pepper. If I had to choose just one spice to add to morning coffee for people over 60, it would be turmeric, but always paired with a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound studied hundreds of times for its ability to reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels, and support muscle health. The problem is that curcumin is poorly absorbed. Only when combined with piperine from black pepper does its absorption increase many times over, transforming turmeric from a simple spice into a true natural medicine. Inflammation is the silent enemy of aging. It damages muscle fibers, stiffens joints, and causes chronic aches. Many of my patients once relied on daily painkillers because of swollen, painful knees. Yet after consistently adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper into their morning coffee, within weeks they were walking more easily, even returning to gardening or Tai Chi practice without fearing joint pain. The method is simple. Stir half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper into hot coffee. For those with sensitive stomachs, adding a splash of milk can make it gentler on digestion. This is a whole-body anti-inflammatory formula that no pharmaceutical drug can fully replace. You see, a cup of coffee may seem like just a morning pick-me-up, but when used the right way, it can become a simple yet powerful remedy to protect muscles and joints after 60. From cinnamon stabilizing blood sugar, cocoa boosting circulation, MCT oil providing clean energy, milk and whey protein building muscle, collagen easing joint pain, to chia seeds and turmeric with black pepper fighting inflammation, each ingredient contributes an important piece to the bigger picture of whole body health. The good news is that all of these ingredients are affordable, easy to find, and simple to use. No strict diets, no exhausting workouts. Just one small change in your morning coffee habit can help you actively fight muscle loss, ease joint pain, and maintain confidence in your movement. My message is this: aging does not mean helplessness. Our bodies still have the ability to recover, so long as we give them the right fuel. And sometimes, the difference is hiding right in your familiar morning cup of coffee. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. That's the simplest way for me to know these insights are truly making a difference for our community. Don't forget to subscribe to Senior Vitality Now, so we can meet every week with more science-based, easy-to-apply tips for life after 60. And I'd love to hear from you. Among the 8 ingredients I shared, will you try cinnamon, collagen, or turmeric first? Leave a comment below. I'll be reading and responding to each one.